Well, hello to my beautiful, intelligent boys and girls, because we definitely have the tea for you. Earlier today, we talked about why we're probably going to get a futures ETF approval as opposed to a spot ETF approval. And guess what happened? The BlackRock Bitcoin spot ETF was in fact denied with a whole lot of other Bitcoin spot ETFs. And I told you guys, we're probably going to get this approved Q1 or Q2 of 2024 because the SEC is fully out of their minds. Now, what we did get that was positive was we got an Ethereum futures ETF that was approved. But before you get too excited, hold up. Also, watch until the end. I have a hilarious story about gamers and insider trading. I'll tell you at the end, it's ridiculous. Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. I'm Wendy O. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, set alerts, all of that great stuff. Yes, I'm still at Cyberpunk in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. It's probably my favorite part of Florida too. I'm absolutely tired. I'm in my hotel room. Sorry guys, I didn't get a chance to go to the after party. I got to do some mom stuff. But anyways. So what happened? The BlackRock spot ETF was denied, and the final deadline to approve it from the SEC is going to be March of 2024. However, I wouldn't be surprised if they delayed it even longer. But I do think that we will probably get it approved Q1 or Q2 of 2024. So me personally, I'm going to be grifting as ethically as possible, and my Bitcoin bags are packed. And again, the difference between a spot ETF and a future ETF when it comes to crypto assets. Future ETFs, those are settled in cash. Most spot ETFs, you actually have to custody that particular asset. And we all know the SEC is not doing their job, and they're completely lazy. And they're not even sure if this stuff is securities, commodities, whatever it is. And they don't even know how to tell us how to properly custody it. So that's why they're not approving the spot ETFs. Also, a spot ETF is when you're just buying and selling, okay? There's no leverage, any of that stuff. But a futures ETF, or we're talking about a futures, is basically betting that price is going to go up or down by a certain date. Therefore, it is a lot more risk. And I don't see how the SEC is actually trying to protect us here, because they're approving a product that is a lot more risky. Either way, that's neither here nor there. Let's go ahead and get into it. So Valkyrie is going to be offering exposure to Ethereum futures through its newly combined Bitcoin and Ethereum strategy ETF. So basically it's futures, but it's still a futures ETF, but they're calling it a strategy ETF because it's combining the two assets. Also too, it is the first firm to allow users to bet on the price of Ethereum. Again, you're going to be betting that number is going to go up or number is going to go down by a particular date. And again, that is very dangerous. It's more dangerous than just buying and holding a particular asset that you've done your due diligence on and you've done your research on in that sense, okay? Futures are a whole completely different ballgame. Also too, the SEC has only approved Bitcoin futures, and we've had one since 2021. And to me, that's not protecting us any way, shape, or form. And basically what Valkyrie is going to do, it's going to be merging their existing Bitcoin futures ETF to this, and it's going to be a combination Bitcoin Ethereum ETF. And the ticker is going to be BTF. So talk to your financial advisors, whatever you got to do. Also, too, the reason why they said that this was approved and was accelerated is because of the potential government shutdown that could be happening. So the SEC is trying to make themselves look good, which we all know they're not trying to make themselves look good. But understand, if the SEC really cared about protecting you, they would have probably approved a Bitcoin spot ETF and gotten their stuff together and given us guidelines. But they didn't. They approved a more risky product for you. And the final story that's absolutely ridiculous. According to all of the mainstream media news, the SEC charged a Goldman Sachs employee with insider trading, and the way he was insider trading, he was communicating some insider tips to his friends via Xbox chat. Yes, a gamer. Yes, probably somebody from crypto Twitter. Anyways, babes, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, set alerts. I will see you Saturday. I'll be doing a live stream. Mwah. Thank you for the support, and thank you to Cyberpunk. It was an amazing event. Love and light to you all. And to those of you that came up and saw me and brought me gifts and were just absolutely amazing, thank you. I needed it.